Good morning, students. How are you? It's Mrs. Russell here for another lesson. We're not going to be on Zoom because the county doesn't want us to use it, so we're going to be on YouTube for a while, and then we'll switch it around, okay? I have some exciting news to tell you. Guess what? Miss Russell is pregnant. That's right. See my big pregnant belly? Here it is. I'm going to have a baby. Yes, I am. I didn't tell you before break, but now I want you to know. See? Here it is. Do you believe me? Do you believe me? Guess what? April Fools. It's just blankets. Miss Russell's being silly. Happy April Fool's Day. Miss Russell turned this Valentine's Day balloon into an April Fool's balloon. Happy April Fool's Day. Ha 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 ha. And I just wanted to do that because guess what? Today is prank day. So for Spirit Week at Honey Creek Elementary, I want you to play a prank and make sure it's safe, make sure nobody gets hurt, and send it to us, send it to me on Class Dojo, send a picture, and we will post it, okay? So it's gonna be fun. Hopefully we get a lot of good stuff in, okay? So our learning target is we're still working on recognizing and drawing shapes with specific attributes, okay? And today we're going to especially work on polygons and recognizing polygons and also quadrilaterals, okay? So let's look over here at our chart that I showed you yesterday on our video, okay? And if you look up here, it says a polygon is a flat two-dimensional shape with sides. So not three-dimensional, not like a cube or a rectangular prism or a triangular prism, okay, or a sphere. A polygon is a flat two-dimensional shape, okay, with sides. So I drew some polygons up here, and it's there's a pentagon, triangle, square, and a rectangle. Those are all polygons, okay? Some of those are also quadrilateral, so they can be both, and we're going to talk about that today, how shapes can be polygons, they could be quadrilaterals, and they could be polygons and quadrilaterals, okay? And we're going to do a little activity, okay? So remember, quadrilateral, we think about quad like quadruplets. If the lady has quadruplets, she has how many babies at once? 4, okay? Quad, if you go to a dorm room and you stay in a dorm room and there's a quad, you're going to be in a room with 4 people, you and 3 other people, okay? So quadrilateral, 4-sided shape. Let's look at these. Which one of these are quadrilaterals on here? Okay, so hexagon is not a quadrilateral because a hexagon has 6 sides, but is a hexagon a polygon? Yes. Okay, so hexagon is a flat two-dimensional shape with sides, but it's not a quadrilateral because it has 6 sides. How about a triangle? Is a triangle a polygon? Yes, it is a polygon, but is it a quadrilateral? No, it is not. It's a polygon because it's a flat two-dimensional shape, but it's not a quadrilateral because a triangle has how many sides? 3. Good. Square. Is a square a quadrilateral? Yes, a square is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. Is a square a polygon? Yes. So a square is a shape that is both a polygon and a quadrilateral, okay? How about a trapezoid? Trapezoid, okay? Trapezoid is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, and it's also a polygon, okay? Rectangle also is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, and it is also a polygon. And a pentagon, remember pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. And we know that means it's not a quadrilateral, but it is a polygon, okay? So, we've reviewed that for a little bit. I want you to look over here. I'm going to show you some shapes, okay? And we're going to make a little chart, okay? Just give me 1 second. Okay, look over here. Hopefully you could see this. I'm going to take this. Well, you know what? Let's leave that right there. So, hopefully you could still see me. There we go. Okay, so polygon. Let me erase that. I'm going to put polygon over here. And I'm going to put not polygon. Okay, so let's go ahead and sort these shapes. We're going to leave that definition of a polygon up there so we can figure it out. Okay, so remember, a polygon is a flat two-dimensional shape with sides. So let's look at this one. Let's look at this one. Here is a, what is this? A square. Is a square a flat two-dimensional shape with sides? Yes, so we're going to put it on the polygon side. Okay, let's look over here. Here is a, what is this? We can call this a semicircle. When it was three-dimensional, we called it a hemisphere. Okay, this has curve. It has one flat side, but it also has a curved side, so this would not be considered a polygon. Okay, here we go. Here's another one, and we can call this a, wrong side. We can call this a kite or even a rhombus. Okay, is this a polygon? Yes, it is, because it's flat and it's two-dimensional and it has sides. Okay. How about this one? This one we might want to call it a trapezoid. Trapezoid has parallel sides, two sides that are parallel and two sides. Okay, so let's look at this. Where would we put this? This would go also on the polygon side. Okay, let's look at another one. This is pentagon. Pentagon sort of looks like a house. Okay, that is also a polygon. Okay. How about this? We might want to call this an oval. It's circular. Is that a polygon? No, it is not, because it doesn't have flat sides, okay? So Russell just made up this shape, kind of like a zigzag cloudy shape. That also has flat sides. It does have flat sides, and they're not curved. They're not really curved. They're more like straight. So I would probably put this over here, okay? If you think something different, let me know. Okay, here's a plain old circle. We're going to put this over here. It's not a polygon, just a few more. Stay with me. Okay, plain old rectangle. This is a flat two-dimensional shape. Put it over there. Okay. And here is a triangle. Triangle is a polygon. Okay, and we're going to do one more. Hopefully you can see these. And so this is sort of like has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is a what? Octagon. And we're going to put this here. It has flat sides. Okay, so now let's go through these. We're going to put a Q next to the ones. I'm going to move this down just a little bit. Hopefully you can see. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay, so we're going to put a Q next to the ones that are also on the polygon side that are also quadrilaterals. Remember, a quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. Four-sided shape, okay? So, square. Would this get a Q? Yes, we're going to put a Q there. How about this? The kite. We're going to put a Q there, or we might even call that a diamond. How about this? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Would that get a Q? No, because it has 8 sides. How about this? How many sides are on this rhombus? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this gets a Q. It's also a quadrilateral. Pentagon has 5 sides. No Q. Rectangle. Yes, it gets a Q because it has 4 sides. And this made-up shape has way more than 4 sides, so no. And the triangle does not get a Q either. So some shapes are polygons, some are not polygons, but some shapes are polygons, and they are also quadrilaterals, okay? So what we are going to do today, and I made it a little bit simpler. Yesterday was a little bit confusing, okay? But you did it, and you did a great job. So you should have a piece of paper, okay? If you need to go get one, stop the video, and go get a piece of paper. Piece of plain paper. If you can make it 8 and 11 standard size, that would be great. If not, we'll just make do with whatever you have. And some crayons or markers. I will show you how to do this, and then you can go back and finish it, okay, and take a picture of it. Okay, so we're just making another little flip book, okay, and I want you to define polygons in the first square, okay, and then I want you to tell me if your shape is a polygon, quadrilateral, or both. So under square, we would write polygon and quadrilateral because it's a four-sided figure, right? And it's a flat two-dimensional shape. Okay. Under triangle, I drew a triangle and I wrote 3 sides, 3 vertices, and it is a polygon, but it's not a quadrilateral because it has 3 sides. So these are the shapes that I want you to use, okay? So you got polygon on the first square, then you're going to do a square, then you're going to do triangle, hexagon, rectangle, rhombus or diamond, trapezoid, okay? Trapezoid, remember this is the trapezoid shape right here, okay? Pentagon, and that's it. So you got all of those. I'm showing it to you right now so you can see. Okay, these are the shapes that I want you to use, and you're going to tell me whether it's a polygon, whether it's a quadrilateral, or both, and draw a little picture of one. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make that book. Okay, so what you're going to do now, you're going to take this paper. Okay, it's going to be tall, vertical. Okay, fold it in half. Fold it in half. Crease it down the middle. Okay, use those nails, crease it down the middle. Got that? So you folded the paper in half. Now you're going to fold it in half again. Okay, this is the last fold, at least this way. Okay, so fold it in half again. Crease it down the middle. Okay, so we folded it in half, and we folded it in half again. Now open it up. Open it up. Okay, now you're going to bend. See, here it is. You got 4 equal squares. So now we divided the paper, like we were talking about fractions last week. We divided the paper into what fraction? Fourths. Okay? We divided it into fourths. 1/4. So to make the book, okay, you're going to take this flap and bend it in. You're going to take this flap and bend it in. So you see how my book opens up like this? And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 openings. So in order to make the openings equal, because we want everything to be equal, we're going to fold. Please watch. We're going to take it and fold it in half. And fold it in half again, okay? Okay, crease it. Open it up. Okay? Now, all you're going to do to make the little flaps is you're going to cut. Just take your scissors and cut to the end. Don't cut all the way through, just so that you have that little door. Okay, so we cut there, okay? Cut there, okay? Cut here, cut here. Okay, and you can do a lot of fun things with books like these. Okay, and there you go. There's your book, and now you can make it. Remember the first square right up here. I want you to tell me what write polygons, and tell me what a polygon is. And you could draw some, just like when I defined polygons here. I drew a pentagon, a triangle, a square, and a rectangle. Polygon, write the word polygon, and then underneath is a flat 2-sided, 2-dimensional shape with sides, and you could draw some, okay? Use whatever colors you have, use whatever paper you have, okay? These are the shapes that I want you to have on there, okay? Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing it. Miss Russell loves you. I miss you. I want to see those April Fool's pranks, safe April Fool's pranks. Okay, congratulations to Nora. Nora is the 2nd grade. She did the highest score in 2nd grade in AR for last week. Miss Lanier announced it on our faculty meeting. And you guys keep it going, because you are still first in math, team of the week and team of the month. So you got to keep it going. Yeah, I know I put out a lot of other sites, but we will still want to keep it going for first in math. Keep working. I know we're not in school, but I could tell that you're still working, and I'm so thankful. You guys, 16 of you did the AR test yesterday, and that is fabulous. 16 out of 23 of my students. That is fabulous. Took an AR test, and you scored between 80 and 100. A lot of people got 100, but 80 to 100, we know that's a score we want to see. And so you did great. Keep it up. Remember, in order to become better readers, you have to do what? Read, right? And then read some more. So keep on reading. get on Mayan, and Miss Russell is actually going to be getting some books, and so I will be integrating some more literature into our math lessons. And you have a great day. Show me your work. I hope you enjoyed this, and hope you like my little prank. I am not pregnant, and I won't be. Ha ha. So show me your prank, and I want to see it. Have a great day. Miss Russell loves you. Bye 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 bye. See you later.